Just imagine this. A Faceless YouTube channel has raked in 265 million views, generating around $5,000 per month, and amassing over $500,000 since its launch. What if you could build a channel that performs just as well, or even better? And here's the kicker. You can achieve all this using AI, without showing your face or even owning a camera. In this tutorial we begin by leveraging AI to design a distinctive channel avatar, banner, and description. This sets a strong foundation for your YouTube channel. Next, we'll delve into the critical task of choosing your niche and targeting the right keywords, key steps in positioning your channel for success. We'll harness the power of ChatGPT to generate compelling titles for your videos and thumbnails, ensuring they capture viewer attention. Then, we'll guide you in crafting an engaging video script. As the backbone of your content, a well-crafted script can captivate and retain your audience's attention. Let's then dive into the realm of AI, transforming simple text into professional quality videos, all with a few clicks. Further, we'll take you through the process of creating vibrant, eye-catching captions using AI. Now, help me continue producing valuable content like this by hitting the like button, dropping a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Your engagement powers this channel. Remember, the possibilities with AI are limitless, as is your potential on YouTube. Now it's your turn to create, outrank, and wow your audience. So let's get started. Set up YouTube channel. First, you need to create your YouTube channel. So, let's do that. Head over to YouTube and sign in with your Google account. Then, click on your account icon in the top right, and select Create a Channel. Follow the instructions to set up your channel. Create channel avatar, banner and description. Go to this free website openai.com/2. Click on Try DALL-E. You'll get redirected to OpenAI Labs where you can enter this simple prompt, brain and lightbulb art image. Then click on Generate. You'll be given 4 AI-generated logos. I like this one, so let's download it. Now, let's create your channel cover image using Canva. First, go to your competitor channel and copy their channel description. Proceed to ChatGPT and input the following prompt, ensuring you avoid any mention of the competitor's channel name. Give me 30 YouTube channel names in less than 15 characters around this topic. ChatGPT generated 30 YouTube channel names with less than 15 characters to choose from. Let's choose this channel name, Wellness Win. Next, request ChatGPT to produce 30 catchy slogans that you can feature on your channel's cover image. Use the following prompt, ensuring you avoid referencing any competitor's channel names. Give me 30 catchy slogans for my YouTube channel in less than 30 characters around this topic. Let's select this slogan to feature on our cover image. Next, go to canva.com and select YouTube Banner. Then, from the left-hand side menu, click on Photos and search for black. Choose this background or whatever background you like. I personally like this one. Click to add it and right-click to set it as the background image. Then, from the left-hand side menu, click on the Design menu and add a heading and duplicate it since we need to add the channel name and the slogan. Set the text font to League Spartan and uppercase. Set the font size to 122 for the channel name and to 60 for the slogan. Paste the channel name and slogan in your banner. Next step, click on Elements from the left side hand menu. Search for this keyword, positive thinking, select one that you like. I like this one. Then resize it. Now, take time to customize your banner to give a real identity to your channel. Remember, our logo has been generated using AI. Go back to ChatGPT and generate a description for our channel using this prompt. Generate an SEO-optimized very short description around this YouTube channel name, Wellness Win, and this slogan, your personal growth channel. The purpose of this description is to get maximum subscribers. Voila! We are done with the banner. We also have our logo and channel description. Great! Our channel is ready for uploading video. Now is the time to choose your niche. Here's the trick. We'll use this amazing artificial intelligence software called TubeAtlas to uncover top searches, YouTube Shorts, hashtags, videos, channels, and much more from YouTube with 12+ built-in tools. Easily uncover an unlimited number of niche ideas, top trending searches, hidden markets and much more in just minutes. They keep all their software products fully up to date, and TubeAtlas will always be an evergreen product you can confidently use for years to come. There is a special offer for the TubeAtlas software for only $67 one-time payment, and you get a $20 off coupon on top of that, which means you get this powerful YouTube software for only $47 and get instant access to endless data from YouTube. No monthly payments. Pay it and forget it. All links to the software in the description. Keep watching. Now let's find the best keywords to target. This video here has garnered 9.7 million views. This other one has an even higher count of 10 million views. And look at this. A whopping 11 million views. As you can see, Videos based on the keyword 10 signs have raked in millions of views. Now, we need to uncover hidden niches and find top keywords. Once you have TubeAtlas set up, click on Keyword, located at the upper left corner of the software. Next, type in our seed keyword, 10 signs that you, to unveil hidden keywords and niche ideas. In a few seconds, the software will display keywords related to our topic that people are currently searching for on YouTube. No more guessing. Select a keyword that aligns best with your channel's purpose. For our demonstration, let's pick 10 signs you will become rich. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this tool. Drop your insights in the comments below. Generating SEO-optimized video title and description using ChatGPT. Enter this prompt into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will provide a range of optimized titles for our video. After reviewing the suggestions, let's choose one that stands out. Now it's time to generate the video description. Again, we'll use ChatGPT. Creating your video thumbnail. And just like that, you've got your video title and description. Now let's turn our attention to creating the perfect thumbnail. Let's head over to Canva and use the exact template we used for our channel banner. We will just resize it and customize it. Remember, a great thumbnail can be a game changer. It's often the first thing viewers notice, so invest some time to create a captivating thumbnail that compels viewers to click. Voila! Here's the thumbnail I've created using Canva. Generating video scripts with ChatGPT. Here's the unique prompt we'll input into ChatGPT. Notice how this prompt stands out. It's different from what you'd usually see. It breaks down the script into manageable slides, gives you a hand on choosing the right visuals for your video, and hey, it even gives you a heads up on what background music might fit. Pretty awesome, right? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. It's time for the most exciting part, creating the video, and the best part? We're doing it using nothing but AI. Head over to Wave Video and create a free account. I use this all-in-one AI video editing software that's my secret weapon for stunning videos. Once logged in, click on My Projects from the upper right corner, then click on Create from the upper left corner, and in the drop-down menu, select Generate a Video with AI from Text. Paste your script into the provided field, ensuring each sentence is separated by a space as each will correspond to a separate scene. Select Preferably Free Footage. Pick a background track and select the audio mood. Click Next, and choose a video size and format that fits your needs. For this tutorial, we'll go with a standard YouTube video size. Click Create, and in less than 2 minutes, you'll have a video complete with scenes, script, and music. We'll customize video footage in the next sections. Keep watching. What's your verdict on the AI video generator from this tutorial? Your insights are welcome in the comments section below. However, it's important to note that the final outcome will significantly improve as we advance through this tutorial, where we'll explore various enhancements such as customizing captions, refining video footage, and more. Generating voiceover using AI. Head over to utrrr.com, one of the coolest AI voiceover generators out there with remarkable human-like quality. You're gonna love it. The voice you're currently hearing in this video was produced by this very AI voiceover generator. utrrr.com offers a range of pricing plans to suit your needs. They have a free plan that gives you 7,500 characters, and if you need more, they have a premium elite plan priced at $199 US, which gives you a whopping 5 million characters. But wait, I have a special deal for you down below in the description. What if I told you that you can get a lifetime license with unlimited characters for a one-time payment of just $67 and 60-day money-back guarantee? That's right, folks, you heard it correctly. This extraordinary offer gives you unlimited characters for a lifetime at an unbelievable price of $67. Link in the description, plus get 10% off on top of that. Pay once and forget it. Now let's log in and generate a voiceover. Click Voices from the left-hand side menu. Then filter your voices by Neural or Ultra to use human-like voices. Select gender and language. After that, click Add Favorite. Now, click Text to Speech from the left-hand side menu. Then choose Ultra Voice. Select your favorite voice from the drop-down menu. In this case, I choose Christian's voice. Customize your voices for perfect tone and rhythm. Voice customization allows you to match your exact tone and rhythm. Modify speech rate and rhythm. Experiment with pauses and emphasis. Copy and paste your video script into the provided space. To preview the result, click the speaker icon to listen to the audio output before conversion. 10 signs that you will become rich. Could you be the next millionaire? Today, we're exploring the intriguing 10 signs that you will become rich. If you're happy with the result, proceed to the next step. Click the Convert to Speech button to initiate the audio conversion process. After the conversion is complete, download the generated audio file. Adding audio and captions using AI. Open Wave. Video and click on Edit from the left-hand side menu. Locate the option to add audio and click on it. Upload the voiceover you have generated with AI for your video. Let's add captions to your video. Remove the initial caption that was automatically generated. Locate and click on the Captions option from the left-hand side menu. In the right-hand side menu, click on Add Caption and select Auto. Choose the audio file you want to convert for captioning and select your audience's language. Set the caption parameters to 2 lines and 60 characters. Click on Create Captions to generate the caption script. If needed, adjust and customize the script content. Next, locate the Style button in the upper right corner of the right-hand menu. Click on the Style button to access the style options and choose Karaoke Style for the caption animation effect. Choose the Outline style for the caption text or any other style you prefer. To save time, click on Apply to all captions to apply your customization settings to the entire video at once. Congratulations! You have successfully added audio, stylish captions, and now, make sure the video footage aligns with the generated script to further customize your video. Updating video footage. To update the footage, simply click on the scene that needs replacement. Options will appear at the top of the video editing software. Click on Replace to proceed with the update. In the stock library search area, enter a keyword that best describes the scene you're updating. Rich man. To narrow down the search results, filter the visual types by selecting Videos from the left menu. Further refine the search by filtering the price. Choose the Free option if you prefer to use royalty-free footage. Review the search results and choose the videos that best fits your scene, considering relevance and quality. Next, click the audio tracks to identify the background music. Adjust the music volume to, let's say, 60%. Apply to all tracks. Now identify the voiceover track. Adjust the voice volume to the max 200%. Apply to all tracks. Remember, this is the final step in customizing your video, so take the time to carefully select and integrate the best footage. And voila! Your AI-generated, faceless YouTube video is now ready for SEO optimization. Now that we've seen the final result of updating the video footage, we would love to hear your thoughts before moving to the video optimization. Please take a moment to share your feedback, comments, or any questions you may have in the comment section below. We appreciate your engagement and value your input. Your feedback helps us improve our content and serve you better. Bonus: let's optimize your video for better ranking. Head over to TubeAtlas to get perfect YouTube SEO in minutes with powerful inbuilt AI assistant. Click on Optimize in the upper left corner. Fill in the fields with your main keyword. In our case, write 10 signs that you will become rich. Copy and paste here your video title. Now, let's find some relevant hashtags. Click on Hashtag Finder from the left-hand side menu. Then, copy-paste your seed keyword. Select the number of videos to analyze and click Go. Add description with 5 hashtags. Next, click on Tag Finder to automatically find the most used tags by high-ranking videos in your niche. Type a related keyword, enter your seed keyword, 10 signs you will become rich, into the field. Next, select the number of videos to analyze and click Go. Then, click each tag to add them within the limit of 500 characters. Select Video has a custom thumbnail, and video will be in one or more playlists. Then click Analyze it. The AI will give recommendations. Your AI-generated, faceless YouTube video is now ready to get published. Simply copy and paste all the information from TubeAtlas into your YouTube video details and hit the Publish button. Congratulations on completing this tutorial and creating an amazing faceless YouTube video using AI. 10 signs that you will become rich. Could you be the next millionaire? Today, we're exploring the intriguing 10 signs that you will become rich. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to support my channel for future videos. Remember, your support fuels the creation of more content just like this. Thank you. Sign is financial discipline. Do you save, invest, and avoid unnecessary debt? That's a trait shared by many self-made millionaires.